What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to explain to you what are some of the most common side hustle mistakes that people make. Now, it doesn't matter what your side hustle is. It could be selling on Amazon, it could be drop shipping on Shopify, it could be running a massage parlor out of your basement. I don't know what your side hustle is, but I want to give you some common mistakes a lot of people make. So, number one, and this is a mistake that I've seen for a long time, probably ever since I got started, is nobody understands proof of concept. And what I mean by this, and what essentially proof of concept is you are showing proof of whatever concept, whatever business it is you are running. You are proving to yourself that it works. Okay, so let's say you're doing selling something on eBay. Okay, great. Don't sell your car on eBay to start. No, don't do that. Don't sell a $15,000, $20,000 item first. What you should do is sell the little trinket that you have. Sell your little your old phone, a back massager, an old pair of shoes. Okay? The reason why you do this is because you want to prove to yourself this business model actually works. Most people do not do this. They jump in with 2 feet. They jump in head first and think they're going to start making money, be a millionaire. Now, I don't want to discourage you and say it's not going to happen. It can happen, but odds are it's not going to happen overnight. So again, I don't care what business you're running. Just make sure that whatever business it is, you jump in feet first, okay? And you jump in, you're fully motivated, ready to go, you're ready to kill it, but just understand you need to prove to yourself that it works. Start with very little bit of an investment. Okay, don't dump $50,000 into a new business that you have no clue if it's going to work. Okay, put in $100, $500, maybe $1,000 or $5,000. Start small and go from there. Okay. The second mistake I see a lot of people make is they're not scaling their side hustle into a legitimate business. What I mean by this is, for example, people that have been selling on Amazon FBA. That's something that I personally do. Absolutely love it. Been doing it for 3 or 4 years, and love this business. However, what a lot of people do is they sell stuff on Amazon or eBay, and they take that money and they just keep it all to themselves. They don't reinvest it back into their side hustle and turn that side hustle into a legitimate business. They don't get any type of business license. They don't restructure, into an LLC. They don't put more money back into the business, buy more supplies, buy more inventory. They just don't do that. Okay, and that is a huge mistake a lot of people make. Is they take all the money to themselves, start spending it on the new car and the new watch, new sunglasses, new clothes, but nothing that's going to turn their side hustle into a business, which will eventually make them more money. Number 3. This mistake, you've probably done it before, it's called shiny object syndrome. Okay, SOS. Now, what is shiny object syndrome? It is essentially where you are, let's say you're running some type of website. Let's say your website's on, getting stronger and fitness and all that. And it's okay, it's doing really well. You're making some money over here. But at the same time, you're right here and you're seeing, oh, that guy is selling a course. That guy is doing one-on-one coaching. So you're over here and you're like, okay, I'm making some money. I'm doing some affiliate marketing, doing something like that. And I'm making, a few $1,000s a month. But that guy's making $25,000 because he is over there selling courses or doing one-on-one coaching. And so even though you're very successful right here, you keep looking over to some other thing. Shiny object syndrome. That shiny object over here that's keeping your attention, it's preventing you from making all your money here because you're worried about this person making $25,000. Don't worry about this person, okay? They're on their own. They're doing their own thing. You're right here making some money. Stick to that, okay? Eventually, you will get to this point. You will get to selling courses, doing one-on-one coaching, or something different. But don't jump from one business to the next, and to the next. Because that shiny object syndrome. What happens, okay, with most shiny object syndromes is you take all your attention away from this one business over here, and what happens? This business starts to flutter, starts to go down. Eventually you lose it, okay? Don't do that. That's a huge mistake I see a lot of people making, especially in online business. Because everything online, you see an ad after ad after ad. You probably see an ad next to this video or down below it. Okay, but you do not have to click on that ad. If you do, great, go ahead, do it if it interests you, but you don't have to. Don't jump from one business idea to the next just because your friend's cousin, sister's, boyfriend's, nephew started that business. Who cares what they did? Just stick to your own thing, all right? Do you ever waste money on stuff when you really don't have to? I ask this question because this is pretty much what number 4 is. One of the most common mistakes I see a lot of people make is they waste money on stuff that they don't need to spend money on. For example, people will spend money on a new website. They'll buy a new domain name when really their website, their domain name was doing just fine. They'll spend money on the newest Rolex and the nicest watch when really, why? Their watch was completely fine, worked perfect. Okay, it's not an investment. They're just trying to keep up with their friends, trying to impress others. Stop wasting money on things you do not need, okay, that you really don't want. It's just another thing that you saw. Okay, stop wasting money. That is a huge mistake, especially with the side hustle, is it's side income. You have your whole income, your nest egg over here, making you great money. Great, that's perfect. However, that side income that's trickling over very slowly, it's still helping you out. It's still adding to that bottom line. So don't look at it as, okay, this is my nest egg, this is what I really need, and this side income, it's just side income. I can blow it, I can spend it on whatever I want to. Yes, you can. But if you take this side hustle and turn it into a legitimate business, you need that money, you need that income. All right? Number 5, and this is something that I talk to people about all the time, is you must make sure your side hustle aligns with your skill set. And most people, that's not the case. I talked to a lot of people back in 2007, or 2017 about Bitcoin, and I talked to a lot of people and tried to get them off that ledge of, don't jump into Bitcoin and think you're gonna, buy it at, $15,000 and you're gonna make, $20,000 off of, one Bitcoin. I talked to a lot of people off that ledge because they thought, oh, I'm seeing it on the news, I'm seeing it on TV, I'm seeing it on, I'm seeing it in the paper, I'm seeing it on, YouTube. People are talking about it on blogs, on Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. It's gonna make money. But they didn't understand how it worked. Okay, so their side hustle making this money from Bitcoin didn't really align with their skill set of, okay, they don't understand how Bitcoin actually works. And the other thing, people that want to get into drop shipping, but they don't know how to run ads, they can't create a website, they don't even know what Shopify is. Those people, yeah, it's great that all these people are making money doing drop shipping. I made money doing drop shipping. It's a very lucrative business. But if your skill set doesn't align with your actual side hustle, how are you going to make any money? So let me address one thing. This side hustle of yours, whatever it is, like I said, it could be selling stuff on Amazon or eBay or drop shipping, or you could be running a massage parlor in your basement. I don't know what you do, and honestly, I don't care. What I care about is you take this side hustle, this side business that you have, and you turn it into a legitimate business. Something that's going to pay you every single month. Okay, it's going to be consistent money. It's going to be something that you can count on. It's a guarantee almost. Because if you are running your side hustle as a side business, as just some money that you get here and there, that's great. But you're never going to turn that into anything substantial. And that's what I want you to do. All right. So if you guys have any questions on, any type of side hustle, it doesn't matter what kind of side hustle you have, what kind of business you're running. If it's something that you're passionate about, let me know. What is it that you do? Just put a little brief description of what is it that you do down in the description box below, or down in the comment section, and I'll interact with you guys. And I just love seeing what people are doing to make money. I told you, some of the things that I do. I sell on eBay, sell on Amazon, do drop shipping, sell courses. Obviously, I'm doing YouTube. There's a lot of stuff I do online, but there's always somebody out there that has a new business that's just incredibly, that's making a lot of money from it, making some incredible moves, and I'm always open to hearing about it. So if you guys have anything new, anything special, anything you're passionate about, Let me know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.